Well, what do we have here? Mm-hmm. New heads. So I just got home from work. I found a little package outside. Ordered it up a little while ago. Need some new heads for like a lot of my kits. I actually had to borrow a head off of this kit, if you can see it. I had to borrow my Orbit head off of that because I had several different players playing my Madwagon kit, and the head got trashed. So I sent an order request to Attack to get some new heads, and this is what I get. It's just a normal box, just a normal box with a personal note written from the president of the company. Now, when I first asked for an endorsement, Mark had just bought the company, and I may have been the first one that had asked for an endorsement. I had been trying to get an endorsement with Attack for a long time back. I was excited because Mark's a drummer. Mark Terabasi. He's a drummer, and he is actually got a drum head company because he wants to make the kind of heads that he wants to play, not just the kind of heads that he thinks that people will buy. He's making heads that he wants to play. And we've talked about different things, and he's sent me different prototypes, and we've chatted and whatnot. And I have not been able to push the company as far as promote the company as much as I wanted to. Lots of different things, lots of excuses. But he remembered that I had had a little surgery here back in December. You can see the video. And took the time to write a little note that he's glad that I was feeling better. And that kind of stuff impresses the crap out of me. He's just a super nice guy. And you can tell when you talk to him about drum heads and drumming, he's passionate about it. It's cool to be involved with a person who owns a company who's passionate about their products. Find Attack drum heads wherever you are if you're a drummer, and get playing them. Everybody who's played my kits since I've had Attacks on them, they can't believe how good they sound. You need to get Attack drum heads, you need to put them on your kit, and you need to play them and know that they are the better head. Anyway, see you soon.